Morning students, this is Kritika Paliwal welcoming you again in the English grammar class. So you are studying English grammar with me. And in the previous lecture, we had done one question of the exercise of chapter number 5 of English grammar. The chapter that is going on is chapter number 5, the noun and kinds of noun. Okay. So the first question. First of all of you open page number 21 of your fancy book. Okay. In the previous lecture, we had done the first question. Question number A. Okay, this one. See, this one is done. This question is done. Okay, now we will do the question that is given below it. Okay, we will solve the rest of the exercise today. Rest of the exercise means जो बाकी बची हुई exercise है अभी हम आज करने वाले. So see, I have written already the question for you so that you will not get confused. So in question number B, we are going to solve the question number B. So in question number B, what you have to do is, I am reading it for you. Here is a list of nouns. Where is the list of nouns? Here in your book and here on my board. Okay, so here is the list of nouns. All these are what? These are nouns given to you. Now you have to do what? You have to arrange them in correct columns. There are columns given to you. You have to arrange them in correct columns. आपको ये noun जो है जिस भी कैटेगरी में belong करता है आपको इस noun को एक particular उसकी कैटेगरी वाले कॉलम में लिखना है. Okay? Now some things are already done for you like this nurse. Where is she? There. Nurse. So nurse is already written there. Okay? One column, one row is already filled up for you. Nurse. Place like library is already filled up. Then fox and then wristwatch. Okay, just let me check whether it is visible or not. Just a second. Yeah, it is visible. So see, nurse, it is a person. Okay, nurse is a person, so it is written in the column of persons. Then place, library is a place, library जहाँ आप books read करते हैं, जहाँ बहुत सारी books रखी होती है. In our school there we also have a library. So there you go and do what? There you go and read the books. So library, it is a place na? It is not a person, it is not a thing. So it is what? It is a place. Then fox, it is an animal. It is an animal. It is an animal. So it is not a person or a place na? It is an animal. That's why it is written in the column of animals. Then things, wristwatch. What is a wristwatch? See, there I am wearing a wristwatch. So this is what, this is how we have to arrange the things. So coming on to the exercise, first word that is given to us is a button. Button क्या होता है? What is a button? The ones which you, which are there in your shirt. आपके shirt में होती है ना buttons, जिससे आप अपने shirt को tuck करते हैं. So button. What is a button then? You tell me. Is button a person? क्या button एक person है? No. Button is not a place. Button is not an animal. No. Button is a thing. What is a button? It's a thing. So I am writing button here. You also do it. B-U-T-T-O-N. Button. Okay. Then second one is wolf. Wolf is an animal. Wolf is what? It is an animal like a dog and fox. Wolf is an animal. So I am writing it here in the column of animals. Okay, wolf. Then third is nurse. It is already written here in the column of persons. It is already written here. Then stadium. Stadium. What is a stadium? In our Khargon there also. In our Khargon also there is a stadium. हमारे खरगोन में भी एक stadium है. What do we do in a stadium? There are so many matches held in a stadium. जो लोग matches खेलते हैं like cricket match, football match, basketball match, badminton match, okay, tennis match. All those matches people play where? लोग कहाँ खेलते हैं वो सारे matches in the stadium. Okay, so stadium is what? It is the name of a place. Okay, stadium is the name of a place. अब बात ध्यान से सुनना कि वो जो पूरा stadium है जहाँ लोग खेलते हैं वो पूरा स्टेडियम नाउन नहीं है. उस जगह का जो नाम है, the name of that place, that is a stadium. So this word is a noun. I am clearing it to you again and again. This word is a noun. Okay, so stadium. So you tell similarly, where the stadium word will get fit? It will get fit in the places. So stadium, I am writing it here, S-T-A-D-I-U-M. Okay. Then bread, that thing that you eat in your breakfast, the thing with the help of which you make sandwiches. Okay, sandwiches and so many other things you make, right, with the help of bread. So bread is what? Is it a person? No. Is it the name of a place? No. Is it an animal? No. So bread is what? It is a thing. So I am writing it here, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Okay. Then after bread, what do we have? We have secretary. What is it? Secretary. Secretary is what? Assistant type. It is a person. Okay. Secretary is what? It's a person. It's the name of a person. It's not the name of a person, but secretary is a person. So secretary is the one who helps some big personalities, like जैसे आपके father एक manager हैं, so उनके एक secretary होंगे जो उनकी help करेंगे छोटे छोटे task में. तो secretary is a person. Okay. So secretary, I am writing it here, S-E-C-R-E-T-A-R-Y, secretary. Okay. Then next to it is a player. Now, can a player be an animal? No. A place? No. Thing? No. Player can be a person. Okay. So I am writing it here, player. Player means खिलाड़ी, जो कोई भी गेम खेलते हैं ना, जो वो होते हैं players. Okay. Just like cricket players, football players. Okay. Virat Kohli is a cricket player. Okay. Then just like that. So player. Then next is clinic. What is a clinic? Clinic क्या होता है? Clinic is the place where you go for your medical checkups. आप जहाँ medical checkup अपना करवाने जाते हैं, जैसे if you have pain in your teeth, if you have pain in your tooth, तो where will you go? You will go to the dental clinic. Okay? अगर आपके दांत में दर्द है तो आप कहाँ जाएंगे? आप dental clinic में जाएंगे, जहाँ आपके वो teeth को check करेंगे. Okay? So clinic is the name of a place. So clinic is the name of a place. So I am writing it here. Clinic is the name of a place. Then next to it is panther. What is a panther? It is an animal. Panther is an animal similarly like a cheetah and a tiger. Okay, so panther belongs to the cat family. जैसे tiger, cheetah and all also belong to the cat family. Panther also belongs to the cat family. Okay, so it is an animal. Then wristwatch, it is already written there in the column of things. Then spider. What is a spider? Spider is an animal. Spider is an animal. Okay, I hope there is no confusion. Spider किसी person का name नहीं है. Spider is not a person. It is not a place. Spider जो मकड़ी होती है ना, that is a spider. So that is an animal, obviously, not a thing. Then photograph. Photograph is not the name of a person. जो photographs आप click करते हैं ना अपने phone से. So photograph is not the name of a person. No, it is not a place. It is not an animal. It is a thing. So photograph is a thing. I am writing it here. Okay. Then just you write it fast. We'll solve the next ones. Then next to it is library. It is already done there. Okay, library is already written. Zoo. Zoo is what? It is a place where the animals are kept, so that you can visit the zoo and you can see lot of animals. Okay, zoo एक place है जहाँ पे animals होते हैं, जहाँ animals को रखा जाता है, so that आप लोग जाए और उन्हें देखें कि there are so many types of animals, so many different types of animals. Okay, so zoo is what? It is a place. Zoo is a place. Zoo is not the name of a person or animal or thing. Okay, zoo is a place where animals are kept. Okay, then zebra. What is a zebra? It is an animal. So I am writing it here. Zebra is an animal. Okay. Then shopkeeper. Shopkeeper. चलो shopkeeper को थोड़ा explain करते हैं. What is a shopkeeper? अच्छा, whenever you visit a shop, shop means दुकान. जब भी आप कोई सी भी shop पर जाते हैं, किसी दुकान पर जाते हैं, so the person who attends you, वो person जो आपको attend करता है. Attend करना means आप shop पे गए तो obviously आप कुछ खरीदने गए हैं, है ना? तो वो person जो आपको वो सारी चीज़ें लाकर देता है जो आपको चाहिए. So that person is called a shopkeeper. So I'm telling you again and again that that person is so that shopkeeper is a person. एक पर्सन होगा, वहाँ कोई एनिमल तो खड़ा नहीं होता है ना, जो आपको चीजें लाके देता है. ओके, सो शॉपकीपर इज अ पर्सन. सो आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर इन द पर्सन कॉलम. शॉपकीपर, SHOPKEEPER. Space is not there. Just a moment. Shopkeeper. Okay, so shopkeeper is what? It is a person. Then next to it is a dancer. A dancer is also a person. Dancer is also a person. वो person जो dance करता है वो dancer होता है. Okay, in our class also there are so many dancers. Basically the girls. Okay, जैसे like Sachi, Lavanya, etc. etc. There are so many dancers like this. I remember the name of only two. Okay, so they are dancers. Then church. What is a church? Church is the place where the Christian people go and worship. Okay, जहाँ पे Christians जाते हैं और pray करते हैं God से. That place is called a church. Just like the temple, मंदिर के जैसे, just like the mosque, मस्जिद के जैसे, we have churches. So church is a place. Church is what? It's a place. Then file. File is a thing. Okay, file is thing. File is a thing. And the last one is a fox. That is already written in the in the animal column. Okay, so I hope this one was easy for you. I hope you have understood it. अच्छा, one thing that if you notice it, आपकी बुक में ये नर्स का N कैपिटल है, लाइब्रेरी का L कैपिटल है, the F of fox is capital, the W of wristwatch is capital. Okay, but that is I would say that is a book mistake, that is a printing mistake, क्योंकि ये सारे common nouns हैं and common nouns never start with a capital letter. I told you in the previous lectures that all these are common nouns and that never starts with a capital letter. ठीक है, वो बुक में लिखा है, आप उसे करेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, बट यू कैन करेक्ट दैट इन योर माइंड. ओके, सो जस्ट प्लीज राइट इट फास्ट. आई एम गिविंग यू 1 minute टू डू दिस. आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, so we are going to write the next exercise. We are going to solve the next exercise. That is question number C. Sorry, I made a mistake. We are going to solve the next question, not the next exercise. On the same page, page 21, we have the exercise number C with us. Page 21, question number C. We have the question number C with us. So page 21, question number C. I am reading the question for you. Pick out the nouns. Pick out means इसे उठाना है nouns को. In the following sentences, in sentences में से noun हमें pick out करना है. And write them on the given lines. And on the sides you have given lines na. On the sides you are given lines, so there you have to write the nouns. So just let's do it fast. First sentence is the hunter kills the tigress. Okay, the hunter kills the tigress. So here two lines like this are given to you, right? So what we have to do? हमें क्या करना है? इस sentences में से two nouns we have to pick out. Okay, हमें two nouns इसमें से निकाल कर यहाँ लिखना है. Okay, easy ना? I'll make it easy for you. The hunter kills the tigress. Hunter means शिकारी. Okay, kills means मार देना. The hunter kills the tigress. Okay, kill करना means मारना. Tigress means just like a tiger. The feminine gender is tigress. Sher, sherni. So tigress is a sherni. Okay. So the hunter kills the tigress. जो शिकारी है वो tigress को मारता है. So now can you recognize there is the name of an animal given, that is a tigress. Okay. What is a noun? हमें nouns pick करना है. तो first what is a noun? The names of persons, places, animals and things. So can you recognize any person here? आपको यहाँ कोई person दिख रहा है? Yes. Hunter is a person. शिकारी person ही होगा obviously, कोई place तो आकर मारेगी नहीं. Okay. Hunter is a person. So I am writing this hunter here. Hunter. Hunter. Okay. Then tigress. Tigress is an animal, right? So I am writing it here. It is a noun. Tigress is a noun. Hunter and tigress. Well, it was already done in your book, but समझने के लिए we have to do it once again. So number 2, Egypt. Is an African country. Egypt is an African country. Egypt is an African country. Okay. So we have to pick out nouns here. अब उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं बोला है कि सिर्फ हमें 2 ही nouns उसमें से pick out करने. Because see, Egypt. Okay, it is the name of a country. Egypt is a proper noun. It is the proper name of a country. So Egypt will come there. Egypt is a noun, so I am writing Egypt here. Okay, Egypt. This is E, not an R, not a R. Okay, EGYPT, Egypt is an African country. Okay, which country it is? African country. वहाँ पे country को specify किया है. Asian country भी हो सकती है, American country भी हो सकती है, African country. Which country it is? It is an African country. So both these words will come there. African country. Okay. Okay. Now third one I am writing it here. Third is the girl sings a sweet song. The girl sings a sweet song. Okay. Girl. So the girl, लड़की, sings, गाती है, a sweet song, एक sweet song गाती है. So who is singing? The girl. So the girl is a person. Yes, we know that. So girl is a noun. Yes or no? Girl is a noun. So girl, Girl, girl. Okay. अच्छा, sings. Sings means गाना. आपका वो वाला sing नहीं, रणबीर सिंह and जो भी दूसरे सिंह होते हैं. So sing is not a surname here. Sings means गाना गाना. Okay. That surname वाला sing is this, SINGH, sing. Okay. That रणबीर सिंह वाला sing, अरिजीत सिंह वाला sing. But this sing is not here. What it means? It is a H here. Sings means गाना गाना. It is a verb. ओके, गा रहे हैं ना, कुछ काम हो रहा है, so it is a verb. So verb, we don't have to concern the words here. We have to just pick out the noun. So this will not come in that time. A sweet. These will also not come. Song. Song is a noun. Okay. Song is what? It is a noun. So song will come here. Okay. The girl sings a sweet song. Okay. Then number 4. The woodcutter has cut many trees. The woodcutter has cut many trees. Okay. woodcutter ने बहुत सारे पेड़ काट दिए हैं. तो woodcutter, who is a woodcutter? It's a person. कोई person ही काटेगा ना पेड़. Okay. So woodcutter, वो person जो लकड़ियाँ काटता है, we call that person a woodcutter. So woodcutter, it is a person. He is a person, right? So we will write it here. Woodcutter okay. Woodcutter has, it is a helping verb. It is not a noun. Cut, काट देना, it is a verb. Okay. Many means बहुत सारे. Many is not a noun. Okay. Tree, yes, tree is a thing. It is a noun. So the next noun is tree. Trees. Okay. I hope you all are understanding this. Next is Jaipur. Jaipur is a historical city. Jaipur is a historical city. Jaipur एक historical city है. Okay, so Jaipur here, Jaipur is what? It is the special name of a city. Special names means cities तो बहुत सारी होती है, but Jaipur क्या किसी और सिटी का नाम जयपुर है? नहीं, जयपुर अपने आप में ही एक सिटी है, वो एक ही सिटी है जिसका नाम जयपुर है. तो जयपुर इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन. सी इट इज रिटन हियर इन कैपिटल आल्सो, जयपुर. सो ऑब्वियसली इट इज अ नाउन. सो जयपुर आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर, JAIPUR, जयपुर. ओके. देन जयपुर इज अ हिस्टोरिकल कोई नाउन नहीं है. ओके, इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव. We will study adjectives later on, but it is not a noun. City is शहर. City is a noun. CITY, city. ठीक है, it is a place. Jaipur is also a place. It is a noun. Then number 6. My uncle is an advocate. My uncle is an advocate. Okay, my uncle is an advocate. अभी here my uncle, मेरे uncle. Here now you will say my uncle will come as noun. My word will not come as noun. My noun नहीं है. My is a pronoun. We will study it later on, but my is not a noun. My is not a noun. Uncle, yes, uncle is a person. So uncle is a noun. Uncle is a noun. Okay, then is an advocate. अभी आपको शायद ही पता होगा advocate क्या होता है. Advocate is a lawyer, like doctor, engineer, teacher. Advocate is also a person. Okay, lawyer. So advocate is a noun. So just do it fast. Then on the back side also there are so many questions like this given. So we will solve those questions. Do it fast. Rubbing out the first and second. turn the page. Come on to page 22 of your pencil book. Okay. Page 22. Turn the page. Seventh question. Seventh question is English is my favorite subject. ठीक है? So here we have to pick out some nouns. So can you tell me what is a noun here in this sentence? English is my favorite subject. English मेरा favorite subject है. See the sentence carefully. English is the name of a subject. It is the name of something, right? So English is the name of a subject. That's why it is a noun. Okay, English is a noun, a proper noun. Okay, English is the name of a subject. So English is my favorite subject. अभी is वो helping verb है. We will study it later on in the coming chapters. Is not a noun. My I told you just here. My is a pronoun. My is not a noun. It will also not come. Favorite is also not a noun. Okay. Then subject is a noun. Okay. जैसे आपके पास बहुत सारे subjects है ना अभी EVS English हिंदी. Okay. So all those are what? Those are subjects. So subject is a noun. फिर again I am telling you English एक सब्जेक्ट है, इंग्लिश नाउन नहीं है. ये जो वर्ड है इंग्लिश वो नाउन है. ठीक है, ये जो पूरा सब्जेक्ट हम पढ़ रहे हैं, जो मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ, सब्जेक्ट दैट आई एम टीचिंग टू यू इज नॉट अ नाउन. द वर्ड इंग्लिश इज अ नाउन. ये जो वर्ड है इंग्लिश वो नाउन है. दिस वर्ड सब्जेक्ट इज अ नाउन. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. मैंगो इज अ स्वीट फ्रूट. Mango is a sweet fruit. Okay. Mango एक sweet fruit है. What is a mango? Mango is what? It's a sweet fruit. So, can you suggest me what is the noun here? Let's talk about mango. It is the name of a fruit. So, name of a fruit. So, mango, this word is a noun. Yes, it is a noun. अच्छा, मैंगो इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर नाउन. मैंगो प्रॉपर नाउन नहीं है, बट इट इज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. इट इज द वर्ड दैट इज बिगिनिंग द सेंटेंस. तो ये वर्ड जो है एम, दैट्स व्हाई एम इज कैपिटल. द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ सेंटेंस इज कैपिटल. अदरवाइज मैंगो इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर नाउन. तो व्हेनेवर वी विल राइट मैंगो इन बिटवीन द सेंटेंस, जब भी अगर मैंगो हम सेंटेंस के कहीं बीच में लिखेंगे तो वी विल राइट इट इन स्मॉल लेटर. ओके, वी विल राइट द एम इन स्मॉल लेटर. Then is a sweet fruit. Is not a noun. Is a helping verb. Then a is an article. A is not a noun. Sweet is an adjective. वो भी हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. These are not nouns. Okay. Fruit. Fruit is a noun. What is a fruit? It's a noun. Okay. तो 8 I have done. 2 तो I think you can do in the homework also. 2 तो आपको करने चाहिए homework में. So just you practice some nouns. So these 9 and 10, these are homework for you. Better send it to me. Okay, these 9 and 10 are homework for you. Just do these 2 fast, then we will write. We will solve the next question. Okay. The next question is upon some connective nouns. Just do it fast, then we will solve the next question. Do the 9 and 10 as homework. Okay. And send it to me. If there are any mistakes that you have done, I'll solve that. I'll correct that. Okay. I guess you have done it. So question number D. On the same page number 22. Okay, so Move on to question number D. Choose and write the correct collective nouns. Choose करना है. देखो, see you have given here the help box. Okay. In the help box, collective nouns are written. Team, flock, army, fleet, bunch and bouquet. Okay. Okay. Choose and write. अभी choose किधर से करना है? From here we have to choose. Okay. Choose and write the collective nouns. All these are what? These are collective nouns. In the boxes given under the following pictures. Now see, here pictures are given and there is a line given there to write the answer. तो वहाँ आपको लिखना है कि ये जो group है, what does this group represent? ये group जो है इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? The terms of collective nouns. So there, first is what? It is a group of keys. Okay. First there is the group of keys. First is what? It's a group of keys, है ना? अरे यार, making drawings are very. Okay, so what do we call a group of key? Choose this from this given. What do we call the group of keys? Team? No, team is the group of players. Flock? No, flock is the group of birds. Army is the group of soldiers and group of ants also. Fleet is what? It is a group of ships. Bunch. Yes, we call the group of keys a bunch. So write it here. Okay. Oh God. Now it is the test of my drawing. So what are they given? The soldiers. Here it is the gun. And they are wearing hats. Okay. Soldier hats. So what are these? There are so many soldiers there. So what do we call a group of soldiers? What do we call a group of soldiers? So there are group of soldiers given, right? And all of them are having guns. Why they are having guns? To protect us from the enemies. Soldiers के पास gun क्यों होती है? So that they protect us and themselves from the enemies. दुश्मनों से हमारी और उनकी खुद की रक्षा करने के लिए they have the guns. So what is this? Group of soldiers. Who are they? They are soldiers. So what do we call the group of soldiers? We call them army. A group of soldiers is an army. Okay. Then third one is a vase. Vase, it is not a vase. Well, it is the group of flowers. What is it? So many flowers are there, right? So it is what? A group of flowers. Then what do we call this thing which is having a group of flowers? So group of flowers are called, it's called a bouquet. Group of flowers is a bouquet. So B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. I am writing it here. You also write that. Do it fast. And please don't laugh at the soldiers that I have made. Okay? Okay, done. So next one is there are so many ships given. Okay, so many means 3 ships given. So 3, so we will call it a group. Okay. What are these? These are ships. of ship, we call them fleet. Okay, what is a group of ship? F-L-E-E-T, fleet. Okay. Then group, the other two are homework for you. The group of birds and the group of players. Okay, the remaining ones. Only two are remaining from them. The other two are homework for you. Okay, do it and better send it to me. So the group of ships is called a fleet. What do we call a group of birds? You will write it here in the homework. What do we call a group of players? You will write it here in the homework. Okay. So today we have studied a lot. Okay. So today we had studied a lot about nouns. So what things we have done? We have separated the nouns from a list of nouns given below, given there in the question number B. Then we had picked out some nouns from the sentences, and then we have solved an exercise on the collective nouns. Okay. So I guess this is it for today. This is enough for today. We will solve the remaining exercise. Remaining means जो बची हुई exercise है वो that we will solve in the next lecture. Okay, till then you study hard and start learning things. Okay, समझने वाला तो बहुत हो गया. अब now we have to start learning. Okay, so just learn all the things from the beginning, from the chapter 1 about word to chapter number 5 nouns. Okay, start learning all the things. So till then, bye bye, see you, take care, and we'll meet in the next lecture.